Hey guys, this looks like a fun one. We're given a brick wall of 8 meters and a brick wall of 5 meters, and it wants us to find the height of this man. How are we going to solve this one? If you want to try it on your own, pause it right now because I'm going to solve it in 3, 2, 1. First, let's label his height H. H is what we're trying to solve. And then we can label this length X and this length Y. Does that make sense? Y? And I want to focus on this section right here. We have this yellow triangle, which will be similar to this blue triangle. Since for the yellow triangle and the blue triangle, this angle is shared and they both contain a right angle because the brick wall is at a right angle and he is standing at a right angle. And anytime you have two similar triangles, you can set up a proportion. So let's set up this proportion. For the yellow triangle, it'll be the base of X over the height of H, and that'll be equal to this base of X plus Y over this height of 5. And that's because the side lengths of similar triangles are proportional. And then next, let's focus on this portion. And now we have two similar triangles again, so we can set up another proportion. It'll be the base of this little triangle Y over the height H will be equal to the base of this larger triangle X plus Y divided by this height of 8. And now we can play around with these two proportions. Let's add them together. On the left-hand side, we'll have Y over H plus X over H. And on the right-hand side, we'll have X plus Y over 8 plus X plus Y over 5. On the left-hand side, these two fractions have H in the denominator, so we can write it as a single fraction with a denominator of H. And to make it match these other two, we can rearrange the Y plus X to be X plus Y. Does that make sense? Why? It's the commutative property of addition. So now we have X plus Y over H equals X plus Y over 8 plus X plus Y over 5. Since each of these terms contains an X plus Y, we can divide everything by X plus Y. All of these X plus Ys are going to cancel each other out. It'll leave us with 1 over H is equal to 1 over 8 plus 1 over 5. And now let's smush everything together and we have three fractions with different denominators. Let's multiply both sides of the equation by the lowest common denominator. That's going to be 40h. On the left-hand side, this h and this h are going to cancel each other out, leaving us with 40 times 1, which is equal to 40. And on the right-hand side, we can distribute this 40h to each of these terms. The first one will be 40h over 8 plus 40h over 5. We can bring these h's down here, and 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5, and 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Let's smush everything together and add these together. 5h plus 8h is equal to 13h. Next, we can divide both sides by 13, and that gives us h is equal to 40 over 13. And that is the answer to our question. Let's give it a label of meters and find an approximate value. So the height of this man is approximately 3.076923 meters. Let's put a box around it. How exciting. And here's the next problem I want to try to solve. It's asking for the area of this square. And we're given three triangles with those areas. And we're also given that this is a rectangle. It looks like it'll be a fun one. How exciting.